Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to learn about hyphens. This is a level 6 skill. Let's start by thinking about what a hyphen is. A hyphen is a type of punctuation mark that is used to join two words together. Hyphens help to avoid confusion, or in other words, avoid ambiguity when writing sentences. A hyphen looks like this. It is similar to a dash but shorter. Let's look at how a hyphen can be used to avoid confusion. A man-eating shark could be a man eating a shark or a shark that eats men. The meaning is unclear. Whereas a man-eating shark with a hyphen between man and eating makes it clear that it means a shark that eats men. Adding the hyphen changes man-eating into an adjective to describe the shark. Let's look at some more examples where the meaning of a phrase changes with the use of a hyphen. Small shop owner and small shop owner. What is the difference between these phrases? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? In the first example, small shop owner could mean a shop owner who is small, whereas in the second example, small shop owner with the hyphen between small and shop tells us that it is the owner of a small shop. The hyphen makes the meaning clear. Hyphens can also be used to clarify meaning. Some words are written with a hyphen so that they aren't confused with other words. Here is an example: recovered and recovered. Let's look at how these can be used in sentences. The police recovered the car means the police regained possession or found the car, whereas the police recovered the car means the police covered the car again. The use of the hyphen makes the meaning of the word clear. Here is another example where the meaning of the word changes with the use of a hyphen. Resent and resent. Notice how these words sound different. I resent the message and I resent the message. What is the difference in the meaning of these sentences? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? In the first example, I resent the message, this means I feel anger or dislike about the message, whereas in the second sentence, I resent the message, the addition of the hyphen means the message was sent again. Here is a summary of the learning in this lesson. Hyphens are a type of punctuation mark. They are used to avoid confusion in writing and to clarify meaning.